Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to pin or unpin apps to the taskbar on Windows 11 or 10. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure your computer has fully loaded. Wait until everything is up and running before you proceed. This ensures all your system components are ready and you won't encounter any lag during the process. Once your PC is ready, direct your attention to the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. This is the horizontal bar that runs across the bottom of your display and contains various app icons. You'll notice several software icons that are already pinned there by default. These are your quick access shortcuts to frequently used applications. Now, if you want to unpin an app from your taskbar, the process is incredibly simple. Just right-click on any app icon that's currently pinned to your taskbar. A context menu will appear with several options. From this list, you'll see an option that says Unpin from Taskbar. Click on it and the app icon will immediately disappear from your taskbar. This helps you keep your taskbar clean and organized with only the apps you actually use regularly. Next, let's talk about pinning new apps to your taskbar. To do this, start by opening your Start menu. Click on the Windows icon located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Once the Start menu opens, you'll see a complete list of all the applications installed on your Windows PC. This gives you access to every program available on your system. Now find the app you want to pin to your taskbar. Once you've located it, right-click on the app icon. A context menu will appear with various options. Look for an option labeled More and hover your cursor over it. When you do this, the context menu will expand to reveal additional actions. From this expanded list, click on Pin to Taskbar. The app icon will instantly appear on your taskbar, giving you quick one-click access to it whenever you need it. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to manage your taskbar by pinning and unpinning apps on Windows 11 or 10. This simple customization helps you organize your workspace and access your most used applications faster. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.